Hello. Look at this. Watch. quite a bit of snow. But as you can see, the pond has survived. So it's just a tank. So I don't know how much snow fell. Like there's at least, I would say 4, 5, 6 inches. It's probably higher, and well, I know it's higher in other spots. It was a lot of snow. I literally, it's pretty windy too. I literally was like the first person on the road on one of the roads that I went on this morning. There's snow drifts everywhere, and yeah, like that's how thick. So anyhow, the pond is a tank, so it just takes all this, and it's essentially insulated now. Oh, there, see, look, all the fish. There's our friends right here. So guys, before we start, please like and subscribe. Please, please, please. I appreciate all the support. There he is. So yeah, we are in the dead of winter. Look at that. Here, let's see if we can. I can't. It's pretty thick. Like I can't even like break through that. So now we don't even see the waterfall, which kind of sucks. So how about we break it open? Or at least try to. Let's do that. All right. So here we go. Got me my hammer. Oh, there. Got it through it a bit. Oh, there we go. There's our beauty waterfall. I just don't want to. There. Pretty thick. At least we can see it. I'm just afraid of like breaking it all together. There. This is a pretty thick part here. And she just flows. Yeah, there it is. Still going. Isn't it amazing? So cool. And you can actually see all the water or the icicles in behind. That's still going. It's craziness. It's like I can't even believe it. So oh yeah, I still can't wait till it's like nice and green. So the kids are gonna have to their job is to shovel. So they're gonna shovel this. Yeah, and all the water's just going there and there. Can't even see. There's so much snow now. We went for so long without any. And like you can actually, from here, I'm trying to zoom in. You can see the water. Yeah. So, and you can't really see the fish here. But yeah, the drive-in was horrible. Like, there was actually a tractor trailer that he must have just got in the ditch when I left, or when I drove by him, and the tow truck was literally coming, like was just getting there when I pulled up. So he was sitting, and the guy was still in the ditch. So he was sitting there for at least 9.5 hours. 9.5 hours. Just sitting in the ditch. How horrible is that? Oh my Lord. All right, again, please subscribe, guys. And hopefully we get some nice warm weather sometime soon. The kids went sliding just over there, a little farther down on my neighbors, so that was fun. So subscribe and like, and we shall talk to you guys another day. Have a great day.